Hi dears, nice to meet you again. I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics, the 5th chapter, coordinate geometry. Now, you see the topic is area of triangle. What is the concept of area of triangles? How to find area of triangle? So already we know that area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height square units. That is the area of triangles. But here given the values are 3 points. So here 3 points given the values means we can find area of triangle. How to find area of triangle? That is the concept. So listen to everyone. Here this is A point. For example, minus 5 comma 2. And next point is this B point. So B point is 3 comma 4 and C point is 3 comma minus 1. This is a 3 vertices. So 3 vertices join together to form a triangle. Yes, the 3 vertices join together to form a triangle. So this 3 vertices given the values means how to find area of triangle. So now area of triangle is equal to, now this is a two different method. So first one we can write 1 by 2 square bracket. So here 3 vertices, A vertices is x1 y1, B vertices is x2 y2 and C vertices is x3 y3. The 3 vertices we can write x1, x2, x3, x1. Okay, next y1, y2, y3, y1. So this is an area of triangle formula. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, x1, y1, y2, y3, y1. Here we can write x1, y1 horizontal, we can write vertical x1, y1. Next point is x2 comma y2. That point should be right vertical x2, y2. And next point is x3, y3. So that is horizontal, we should write x3, y3. Next you complete, when you start x1, y1, you complete that x1, y1. Okay. So x1, y1 and complete the x1, y1. That's it. This is an area of triangle formula. That is square units. You must be write the units. Okay. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. Next processing. What is the processing means? We can write 1 by 2. So upward to downwards, x1 into y2, that is the first product. So x1, y2, then plus next x2 into y3, upward to downwards. So you have to product x2, y3, and next one x3, y3, sorry x3, y1. This is a first part. Next we can subtract downwards to upwards. So here y1 x2, that is x2 y1 plus y2 x3, next y3 x1. Square units. This is a second concept. Then we get one number. That number should be positive, because whenever you have to complete the area of triangles, positive value only. We can say the answer area of triangle 500 square units or 50 square units. Minus 50 square units is not right, because area must be is a positive. Okay. So that is the concept. Now one example. Listen to everyone. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are minus 3 comma 5, 5 comma 6 and 5 comma minus 2. This is a 3 points. So first let us consider A point is A point is solution. A point is minus 3 comma 5. B point is 5 comma 6. And C point is 5 comma minus 2. Okay. So now first this given the points are taken in order or not, we check. Okay. So first we should draw the graph. The first of all, horizontal line is called x-axis, that is x dash x, and vertical line is called y-axis, that is y dash y. This is origin O. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next one, positive value, upward you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this y. So x dash also the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, that's it. And here downwards negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now we can plot the points minus 3 comma 5. X value is minus 3 and y value is 5. So we should be mentioned minus 3 comma 5. Here x value is minus 3 and y value is 5. So we can mention minus 3 comma 5. This is a minus 3 comma 5 the point, and 5 comma 6. So here x value is 5 and y value is 6. So we can mention here this is a 5 comma 6. And third point 5 comma minus 2. Here 5 comma minus 2 the negative value, 5 comma minus 2. This is a C point. Okay, this is A point, B point, C point. So now join together 3 vertices. So 3 vertices, A point is minus 3 comma 5, C point is 5 comma minus 2 and B point is 5 comma 6. This is 3 vertices. These 3 vertices join together to form a triangle. Now we can find area of triangle is equal to, what is the formula? Area of triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, x1, y1, y2, y3, y1. This is the area of triangle formula, square units. Now whenever you have to plot the points taken in anti-clockwise. So clockwise you rotate the side, anti-clockwise means the opposite reaction of the clock. So here A point, C, B, this is anti-clockwise. So we can write A point is minus 3 comma 5. This is x1, y1, and C point is, what is the point? 5 comma minus 2. This is x2, y2, and B point is 5 comma 6. This is an x3, y3. So why here taking anti-clockwise? Because the value should be positive. So whenever you take points, you take anti-clockwise means you get answer is positive value only. That's why here taking the point in anti-clockwise. Okay. So that is the concept. Now here substitute the value minus 3, 5. And 5 minus 2, and C point is 5, 6, and last x1, y1, that value is minus 3, 5. So now we can product here 1 by 2, upward to downwards, you have to product minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. And next 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 25 minus 5 5s are 25. 2 5s are 10 minus 10 because here minus into plus minus, and 6 3s are 18 minus into plus minus, so 6 3s are 18. Now 1 by 2, 6 plus 30 36, 36 plus 25 61. So here 61 minus, so 25 minus 10 we get 15. Okay, so 15 minus 18, 1 by 2 61. Here 15 minus 18 minus 3 because here bigger value is 18, so 18 minus 15 3, so minus 3. So 1 by 2 61 and minus into minus plus 3. Now we get 1 by 2 61 plus 3, what is the value? 64. So 1 2s are 2, 32 2s are. So 32 square units. That's it. This is the area of triangle, value is 32 square units. Today we learned area of triangle concept. So we attached a question paper, study material and self assessments. Go through it. Thank you students.